Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable vibration for the mention in bio notifications on Instagram. If you've ever felt your phone buzzing endlessly whenever someone adds or updates their bio mentioning you, this video is for you. We'll walk through the exact steps so you can stay in control of your alerts without missing the important stuff. First, open your phone's settings. It's the place where all the behind the scenes controls live. You'll want to make sure you're in the right menu to adjust app notifications. Next, find and tap on apps. This section lists every app installed on your device, giving you the power to customize how each one communicates with you. Scroll until you spot Instagram and select it. Inside Instagram settings, tap on notifications. This is where Instagram translates its alert system into something your device can present as a sound, badge, or vibration. Here you'll see a breakdown of different notification types you can tailor. Now look for notification categories. This is where Instagram groups alerts by specific events like new followers, direct messages, or mentions in bio. Tap it to drill down into the subsettings. Find mention in bio in the list of categories and select it. This category controls how you're alerted when someone mentions you in their bio, or when your name is referenced in a bio update. It's a targeted spot for fine-grained control without affecting other notifications. Finally, toggle off the Vibrate option. This stops your device from vibrating when a mention in bio alert arrives. If you'd like to keep other alert sounds or vibrations for different categories, you can customize those separately here as well. Turning off vibration can help you stay focused or reduce disruption while still keeping the notification visible on your screen. If you ever want the vibration back, just follow these steps in reverse and re-enable the Vibrate option. You can also experiment with other tweaks like turning on lights or changing notification sounds to suit your environment. That's all there is to it. You've now tuned your Instagram mention in bio alerts to be less disruptive while staying informed. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more quick setup tips, and share your own notification hacks in the comments.